Hey guys, welcome to another video of Freedom to Freelance. Today we are going to discuss the different tools. It's an introduction to the different tools that you can use in order for you to do transcription. Now, what I like about transcription in this day and age, like I mentioned in the other parts of our videos, it's very easy for you to do this job now because there are so many software that you can use. And if you can see my screen, there are a lot of tools that you can use in order to make your life easy. But don't worry about this, we will be discussing them one by one, and I'll show you how it's being done in order for you to do your job easy and perfectly. Okay, one gift that I will be giving you is this transcription resources. So this will be your file. It's a PDF file that I will be giving you. This file will give you the sites to check for transcription gigs, and then the tools that are handy in your transcription. So, nilagay ko dito sa file na to, sa PDF file na to, lahat ng link ng mga pwede mong magamit sa transcription. So, you have no excuse whatsoever not to do this. Okay? So, yan. Somewhere in this curriculum, there will be a way for you to download this as a PDF file. So, keep this, please. It's my gift for you. Use it at your disposal. Ayan, so meron dyan mga explanation kung para saan siya. Now, we will just be running through, oops, ayan, okay. We'll be running through one by one of this, but definitely this is just an introduction. Later on, I'm gonna have a longer video discussing each tool that you can use. So number one is Otter.ai. Nagamit ko to yesterday. And this is so cool kasi, di ba nabanggit ko yung machine transcript? So this is a machine transcript wherein you can find a video, or the client will be giving you a video and then the machine will do the transcript for you. I literally did not transcribe this, but the machine did this for us. So how cool is that? So this Otter.ai. Please go ahead and check it out. It's a free version. So later on, I'm gonna have a separate discussion about these. Ayan, so so si machine talaga yung nag-transcribe for me. Siya yung nagsulat nito. Okay, so wala akong ginawa. In-upload ko lang yung video file. Actually, yung YouTube video. It's a video from YouTube. In-upload ko lang yung YouTube video dito sa Otter. And then, yun na. Tapos, i-edit mo na lang siya mamaya. Don't submit it to the client as it is. Okay, it has to be proofread pa. Ayan. So, just go ahead and check this out. I think there are 3 limited videos kapag ka free. Yan, so mamaya pag-usapan natin yan. 3 times kang makakapag-import. Ayan, so meron siyang basic free plan. Ayan, so the minutes reset every 25 days, and this is a free version. 1 email per account. So kung marami ka namang email, kahit hindi ka muna magbayad ng subscription, okay lang naman. Alright, so that's one. You can also use otranscribe.com. Same thing, machine transcript. It's a free web to take the pain out of transcribing recorded interviews. Diba? Napakadali, napakadali. Tapos all you have to do is submit this to the client. Now, you will ask me, coach, meron naman palang ganyan. Bakit hindi na lang yung client yung mag-transcribe? Una, hindi nila alam to. Okay? They don't know that there are tools to be used in transcribing. You are the expert now kasi alam mo na tong mga bagay na to, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, you are more skilled than these people in terms of transcription, right? Kaya binigay nila sa'yo yung job. So, it's very easy now for you to do it because you have these tools. So, hindi na siya manual na ginagawa. Yun. So, number 1 is they don't know this, and number 2, they really don't have time to do this. They don't have the time to edit, especially if they're so busy, like lawyers sila, paralegal sila, diba? That's why they hire people. Okay? So, ikaw naman, okay lang, marami tayong oras. Kaya, we are more than happy. So, parang ito naman yung tulong natin sa kanila. Okay? So, this is how we help people. Another one is YouTube. Do you know that you can use YouTube for transcription? I'm gonna share that with you in another video. Temi.com is .com. It's another software. Speech to text transcription in 5 minutes. Okay, so all you just have to do is select the audio file and then it will do the transcription for you. Okay, another one is Shello24.com. Same thing. Um, you can put your transcription in here. Mamaya pag-usapan natin yung tool na to, but just take note of this. Okay? And then number ano pang ilang na ba to? Madami na. Transcribe by Really. Transcribe by Really. Ayan, transcribe audio to text fast and secure. Click on start transcribing now. So marami marami kang option, hindi lang isa. Grammarly, this one is for you to check the grammar. Kapag masyadong mahaba siguro yung tool, and if you really want to make sure that you proofread and the grammars are correct, use this tool. Very, very handy. This one is convertio.co. This one is if you need to convert a file to another file name. Okay, so for example, MP4. MP4 video yon. Tapos, ang kailangan lang ni client is MP3. Audio lang. Hindi niya kailangan yung video. You can convert the video file to an MP3 format. So, this is where you convert it. Ayan. Okay, so please take note of these. Please take note of these software that we can use. Ayan, add subtitle to the video. Meme maker, video maker, ayan. Diba? Next is convert.io. So same thing, this is for conversion. If you would like to convert from PDF, convert to PDF, audio tools, ayan, if you'd like to trim the video, change volume, change the speed, reverse audio, voice recorder, video tools, if you would like to trim the video, crop the video, converter, if you would like to convert an audio, a video file, okay? Very handy. This one is mp3cut.net. If you need to cut a certain mp3 file, ano ang mp3? It's an audio file. If you'd like to cut something, say for example, it's a 15-minute long and you only need the first 5 minutes, you can cut the audio or trim the audio down to whatever you like. And this is where you need to, you can use this to help you on that goal. Another is the loom.com, which I am using in recording these videos for you guys. Very handy kung gusto mong magpaliwanag, kung gusto mong mag-explain with you on the side. Kasi the last time I had the e-commerce course, guys, wala ako dun sa picture. I only record my screen and my voice. But a lot of people, a lot of my students are telling me, mas maganda coach kung nandun ka sa video para nakikita namin yung expression mo, the way you speak, the way you know, your gesture, your emotion, ganyan, your reaction. So, that's why I'm trying to do these videos. Medyo mahirap nga lang kasi syempre kailangan you look okay din naman dun sa video as you record. Ganyan. So, yeah, this is one very important tool that you can use as well. y2mate.com. This is where you can download a video and audio from YouTube. Okay, so kung gusto mong mag-download ng mga videos from YouTube, those that are allowed, kasi may mga video na hindi allowed ma-download. Awan ko, siguro copyrighted or whatever. Pero there are videos that you can download. So if you would like to, kahit sa personal reasons, no? If you would like to download a YouTube video, tapos i-save mo siya sa laptop and dito mo siya panoorin, like offline. Say for example, aalis ka, tapos gusto mo panoorin lang yung video from your computer without using any internet or data, you can definitely do that, or audio lang. So save it. If you would like to download something from YouTube and then downloading it to your computer, use y2mate.com. So all you have to do is paste the link on this website and voila. There you go. Another tool that I can suggest to you is Zamzar. This is a file conversion like the other conversion tool that we have. You can add the file here and then look at that one. The maximum size is 50 MB. So maraming free tool pero syempre parang for limited use siya. Kung gusto mo talagang ma-maximize, let's say gagamitin mo talaga siya all year round and gamit na gamit yung tool sa'yo, I would really suggest that you do paid tools. So ayan, may mga bayad naman sila. So initially, hindi mo siya babayaran, parang they let you experience first the tool. And then once you know that this tool is very effective for you and then you can use it really for your career, then by all means, get the paid tool. Okay? Does it make sense? So Zamstar is also an online file conversion. So same thing with the other tools that we have, you can convert the files to and um, convert the file and save it in a different format. Okay, so these are all available to you. Okay, not only to me, but to you as well. And use this software at your disposal to make your lives easier and to make you more money. All right, I'll see you on the next video.